For the last few years, we've been focusing our efforts to develop our latest assessment. It is called Sports Capacity Assessment. This tool is developed for elite level athletes. In practice, we are talking about professional and national level athletes or student athletes who are competing at NCAA level. Also, we have seen a lot of applications for younger athletes who want to reach those high levels of competitive athletics. The tool was developed internationally with national Olympic level athletes and coaches all around the world. It is designed both for team and individual sports. There are three kinds of reports. There's the athlete's report, there's the coach's report, and of course the team report. The tool measures 18 critical sports competencies. And what we have found in our development process that the athletes who will succeed identify what their greatest strengths are, and they discover how to make sure they are using those strengths to reach the very top of their sport. To learn more, contact us today.